Creaky knees and weak bones? Let's talk about that. Many people tend to forget about the health of their bones and joints until they experience pain in them. Healthy bones and joints are essential for us to have our regular daily activities, so it is important to keep them healthy with foods that'll help strengthen and nurture the growth of their bones. So join us today as we discuss the best foods for healthy bones and joints. Our bones lose calcium and other minerals as we age. This reduces their density and makes them thinner and more fragile over time. Due to the weakened bones brought on by menopause and the decline in estrogen levels, some women may become even more vulnerable to bone damage. Weight-bearing workouts that boost calcium storage, such as weightlifting, running, climbing stairs, and tennis, can help counteract the issue. Calcium is a mineral that supports a strong bone structure. Our bones' health is significantly impacted by eating calcium-rich foods. Taking care of your bones pays off. They not only support your movement and keep you upright, but they also guard your vulnerable internal organs and provide essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus when the body requires them for other processes. The American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons notes that around the age of 40, these vital structures start to lose bulk when the body stops replenishing old bones, or AAOS. Unless you stock up on the nutrients you need to stop your losses, this progressive decline might limit your capacity to walk independently and raises your chance of developing a disabling condition like osteoporosis and arthritis. The word arthritis refers to a group of disorders that affect the joints and result in pain, swelling, and stiffness. People of all ages, genders, and ethnicities may be impacted. Fortunately, a variety of foods can reduce inflammation, strengthen bones, and perhaps lessen some joint discomfort, and we are going to discuss them in this video. Before we continue, a brief request from us. If you find value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss our valuable content on health in the future. Now off to the best foods for healthy bones and joints. Number 1. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are among the fatty fish species that are high in omega-3 fatty acids. These have been found to have strong anti-inflammatory properties. Vitamin D, which can help power insufficiency, is also abundant in fish. Low levels of vitamin D may be related to rheumatoid arthritis and similar symptoms, according to research. Although your diet alone probably won't provide you with enough vitamin D, fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and rainbow trout do contain some of this vitamin from the sun. Vitamin D, sometimes referred to as the sunshine vitamin, is a fat-soluble vitamin that is essential for bone formation and remodeling. One of the things it specifically does is aid calcium absorption in the intestines. Unfortunately, insufficient exposure to sunlight is a major contributor to the fact that approximately 50% of the global population is lacking this critical vitamin. To benefit from the helpful anti-inflammatory effects of fatty fish, the American Heart Association advises adding at least 2 servings of it in your diet each week. Number 2. Okra. Due to its lengthy form, this vegetable is often referred to as lady's fingers. Okra, which is frequently used in Asian and African stews, is similar to eggplant in flavor and texture. It includes 82 milligrams of calcium per serving. Most supermarkets worldwide have okra for sale. Number 3. Nuts. While nuts do contain some calcium, they also provide magnesium and phosphorus, 2 other elements crucial to bone health. Magnesium aids in the absorption and storage of calcium in the bones. Phosphorus, on the other hand, is an essential component of bones according to the NIH, or the National Institute of Health. Your bones and teeth contain around 85% of all the phosphorus in your body. There are many other kinds of nuts available, such as walnuts, peanuts, and pecans, but it is suggested that almonds are always a safe pick. According to the USDA, 1 ounce of almonds is a rich source of magnesium and contains a modest amount of phosphorus. Number 4. Broccoli. Broccoli is widely recognized as one of the healthiest foods available. In fact, it could possibly be linked to a decrease in inflammation. In one study which examined the diets of 1,005 women, it was shown that eating cruciferous vegetables like broccoli was linked to lower levels of inflammatory markers. Important ingredients in broccoli may also help lessen the signs and symptoms of arthritis. Sulforaphane, for instance, is a substance present in broccoli. Studies in test tubes have revealed that it prevents the growth of a certain type of cell implicated in the development of rheumatoid arthritis. Number 5. Fortified juices and whole grain cereals. You can use foods fortified with calcium and vitamin D to make up the difference if your body cannot tolerate dairy. Fortified meals like cereal and juice may even offer more calcium than leafy green kale. According to the USDA, 1 cup of Total Raisin Bran cereal, for instance, has a good amount of vitamin D and calcium. A great source of calcium and vitamin D is 1 8-ounce bottle of orange juice that has been calcium fortified. Number 6. Grapes. Grapes are rich in nutrients. They also have a lot of antioxidants and are anti-inflammatory. Grapes also include a number of substances that have been demonstrated to be helpful in the treatment of arthritis. For instance, the skin of grapes contains the antioxidant resveratrol. Resveratrol has shown potential for preventing the thickness of the joints connected to arthritis in test tube research by preventing the development of rheumatoid arthritis cells. Proanthocyanidin, a plant component found in grapes, may have promising benefits on arthritis as well. For instance, test tube research revealed that grapeseed proanthocyanidin extract decreased inflammation. Number 7. Garlic. Garlic has a ton of health advantages. It has also been demonstrated to have an anti-inflammatory impact, which may help lessen arthritis symptoms. In fact, several studies have indicated that garlic may improve how some immune cells operate, thereby bolstering the immune system. Another test tube investigation revealed that a particular garlic constituent may be able to reduce some of the inflammatory indicators linked to arthritis. Garlic may reduce the symptoms of arthritis and improve general health. Number 8. Dairy products. Dairy products are naturally the most abundant and well-known source of calcium. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese are frequently included in discussions about bone health because they are rich in calcium, which is the major vitamin that supports bone strength and structure. A cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt and a cup of fat-free milk are both good sources of calcium. Between 150 and 250 milligrams are found in a serving of yogurt, cheese, or milk. Although skimmed milk has more calcium than full milk, occasionally drink it without a cup of coffee as caffeine might inhibit the absorption of calcium. The calcium content in hard cheeses is higher than in soft cheeses. Last on the list is number 9. Spinach. Leafy greens like spinach are a great source of nutrients, and some of their constituents may even be able to help reduce arthritis-related inflammation. According to research, eating more fruits and vegetables is associated with reduced inflammation. Spinach has a lot of antioxidants and plant components that can reduce inflammation and aid in the prevention and treatment of illnesses. The anti-inflammatory substance camphorol, which has been demonstrated to lessen the impact of inflammatory compounds linked with rheumatoid arthritis, is particularly abundant in spinach. That concludes our video on the best foods for healthy bones and joints. Also be reminded that this video is primarily for information only, and we do not claim to provide medical advice that is tailor-suited to your needs. Be reminded to consult with a medical professional and seek personalized healthcare that will fit you. Additionally, please leave a like, subscribe, and click that bell button to receive information on our new health-related videos. If you want to watch more of our content, check out this video in the lower right corner. You can also check out our playlist of related content. Anyway, see you later and thank you for watching.